But I can tell you, but mina ndadlwengulwa nge-17. Ndadlwengulwa nge-17 kaMay, ne 2014. 17 the whole night until the release nge-18 kaMay. But mina ndayazi ngoJuly that ndarage. All along ndandingayazi ukuba I got raped. Because izinto nandizifakiwe, izinto nandizinekiwe, yonke ndandingayazi, but I was 20. Because nam ndandlwengulwa and ngoMay 17 kaMay 2014 until 18 kaMay the whole night ndivalelwe kuyo yonke loo nto. But ndayazi ngoJuly that nangalami ndandlwengulwa. Ndangayazi, like I was blank. I remember ndandisafunda uso. I-lecture endiyenzisa i-structural engineering because I did civil maths esikolweni. Ngathi wandibiza wathi iyadrop i-performance yam. What is happening? Ndabe ndingazi, but yabidrop i-performance nam. I was in that way until then I realized ngobana wow, kanene ndadlwengulwa. You understand? Nalapho ndicatshe kusokubhuti uthile.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Life in stock umawaqweqwe ngema interviews akhe la wendile where she was saying ukuthi bake bamrape and uthi wathola the following month ukuthi rapiwe. She didn't know because of lento leta but isebenzisa uma kwendeka lento. So people are saying ukuthi hayi lo make lona njena uyate contradictate tortake adimake sense. People were just laughing, making fun of her because never labaningi basangasazi believe isitori sakhe saying ukuthi ngazi ukuthi lo make lona kukhulu la kufihlako mayiqala ivakala indzaba yacwecwe. Abantu abaningi guys, they were fuming, they were mad, they didn't even know what to do. Basho nje nosesikole asivalwe because vele bekusolelwa ukuthi lo dlengulo mvana ngibani principal. But now that isikhathi siyahamba, ama reports they are showing ukuthi akunama DNA latholiwe mvaneni, akuna evidence. People are starting to say ukuthi ayi ngazi ukuthi lo make lona usiphekela story ufuna ukuthi abantu bafeel sorry for yena. Some are even saying ukuthi bafuna ama donations abo because people were donating for uMawaqweqwe after she said ukuthi abasana mali abathengisa imoto bafuna ukuthengisa nendlo because of bafuna ukuthola justice yemntwana ke. So people were donating for lo make ukuthi akhona naye phela ukuthi aqhubeke ngecase. But now people are saying ukuthi hayi wena nje udlala ngathi usiqolile, ayikho nje indzaba yakho, story sakho asimake sense, asihlangani, and the more malanga hamba the more siba even more confusing. But people are saying ukuthi, some people are saying ukuthi they believe uMawaqweqwe, and they are saying ukuthi they will forever believe uMawaqweqwe because bayat ukuthi akekho umntali longaqamba amanga ngemntwana wakhe and put umntwana wakhe kulento le lesakuyoqweqwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.